whiskey. Or more whiskey. Whiskey.
A small amount of whiskey sounds great.
No cocktail spoon, no ice. It'll do. That's it.
Maddie and I first crossed paths at university over a roast pork cob, which is it's a roll to you Southerners.
Oh, here come the sandwiches.
But it wasn't until a uni ski trip that we truly became friends. When I say friends, I have no shame in saying that I felt head over heels or head over ski boots in love with Maddie during this week. Alas, she was already spoken for by another man.
Brilliant. Everyone happy? Yeah. Comprende.
What do we need? Everyone needs a tie. Everyone has a little cut.
Oh wow, there is lots of words.
Oh, it's not. Oh, we don't want to buy
I've got a super massive box of tissues because I'm emotional.
Oh, bless you.
So I accepted to put my feelings to one side and instead we became great friends. Until one night. Let me finish.
I didn't see it crying too much. Should have got some tissues. Oh, she's beautiful. She's absolutely beautiful.
That's very good. You wouldn't have seen it.
Thinking we'd hand fry it.
He kept it good. He didn't go too soppy. He's not quite broken me yet.
So until one night, picture this. A school night at university, Maddie now single. One too many glasses of wine.
It's Tuesday.
Apparently it was a Tuesday.
Because what was
Wait! You're going to spoil the speech. Apparently it was a Tuesday, spending the evening with her housemates and none other than the Great British Bake Off. See, I got there.
They're so blue. I knew it! Because you're meant to have a wedding cart on your wedding day, but we don't, because obviously we're not going anywhere.
During commentary of a soggy bottom, and Maddie being slightly inebriated, she turned to a friend and uttered words akin to that of Pride and Prejudice. James is fit, isn't he? I did say you were single. Yeah, I did. So we messaged back and forth. I thought nothing of it. The next thing is, I'm invited out to an incredibly romantic establishment. Pizza Hut. Pizza Express. Far more romantic than Pizza Hut in Loughborough. At this point, I assumed it was simply a jovial evening between two friends. It quickly became apparent that this was not the case.
It's sort of it's kind of understated. It's not. Yeah.
No, it's beautiful. That might be just right. Cry. Where was the handkerchief?
After quite a lot of one-sided flirting, it dawned on me that this was in fact a date. For the first time in my life, I lost my appetite and my pollo al astra sat going cold in front of me, while Maddie, in classic fashion, continued to shove pizza and dough balls into her mouth, while finding the whole situation hilarious.
James, do you take Madeleine to be your wife?
I do.
Will you comfort her in life's sorrow and pain? Will you rejoice with her through good times? And will you remain true to her for the rest of your lives together?
I will.
Madeleine, do you take James to be your husband?
I do.
Will you comfort him in life's sorrow and pain? Will you rejoice with him through good times? Will you remain true to him for the rest of your lives together?
I will.
I can't wait.
I've always been jealous of my sister
She is flexible. She remembers to call people to check in. She looks fucking amazing in a crop top. She was also on the gym team, swim team, hockey team, lacrosse team, netball team. She was good at maths. She was good at science. She was good at being good at things. But the thing about being good at so many things is that people never think to ask about your flaws. Maddie's greatest weakness was clear to me from a young age. She loves food to an almost obsessive degree. And over the years, she devolved from hiding leftovers in the fridge to writing Maddie's do not eat onto tinfoil, to the extremely worrying habit of actually weighing out food and writing the exact weight to the decimal point onto the Tupperware so that nobody else would eat her food. I remember the moment that I realised she had found someone special was when her new boyfriend James came on holiday with us to Ibiza. And on this island of exotic seafood, James became deeply invested in the range of croquettes that each restaurant had on offer. The moment that I realised James was actually the one was when James ate 3 creme brulees in a row while on a ski holiday and had to go upstairs afterwards immediately and lie down. Maddie will deny it, but I'm pretty sure that I saw a proud tear in her eye as he left the table.
I am so thankful that I get to spend the rest of my life with you. You are truly a phenomenal, beautiful, kind, and sometimes funny woman. I love you so very, very much, but I just hope that one day you will look at me in the loving way that you look at the cat. At least I don't piss on the carpet like him. So now please join me in a final toast to my wife, Maddie. Thank you.